Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your problem when your anti-gravity says there was an unexpected issue setting up your account. So how to fix this? Let's get started. First open your control panel and then click on uninstall a program. Then search for anti-gravity and then right click on it and then click on uninstall. After this, go over to your Chrome browser and then go over to this website and then click on download. Then click on download for x64, and then once it completes, double click on the setup file and install it. Once you install this, hopefully your problem solves, and if your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tool. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.